I know you've been seeing a lot of people doing this AI Barbie doll challenge. In this easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. In this tutorial, you've been seeing people in TikTok doing these viral AI trends, and I was able to do one of Nicki Minaj turning herself into a Barbie, because of course, right? And two different variations, one in this dress and then one in more of a pink bodysuit. But other people have been doing things around their professions, where people have been, well, doing things like this realtor here, or just doing things around their lifestyle, whether that's be a priest, or that's be something a part of LGBTQ, where you see these two couples right here, and just different things. And the main theme here is turning one picture into a Barbie doll, where on the side there's attachments or accessories where you want to display different characteristics about it. And this is how you would do it. First, you would need to open up ChatGPT, and you do not need any of the paid programs. The only caveat with that is you may not have as many tries or variations to do because it's limited on the free tier, but you don't need it to do your first few AI Barbie doll trend. You would have to upload a photo of you, like I've done right here with Nicki Minaj, and you would do this prompt right here where you put, can you use this picture to turn this person into a Barbie doll that is still in the package? The accessory should be pink hair, pink nails, pink shoes with a pink detached butt. A doll in the package should be a full body, full package. And that's important because you don't want them to just have the head or the arms, because that may really cause some issues. It's important that you include full body and full package to get the full effect, if you would say. And as you see, the images do take a little while to create. That's nothing to be concerned about. So if it's taking a while for the image to generate, that's normal, at least for ChatGPT. Other AI image generators are usually a lot faster, but since this is cutting edge and it's very resource intensive to make these images, it takes ChatGPT quite a while to make it, but I think the results are undeniable. As you see with the image that was created using this prompt, you see they have the Barbie at the top of the package, where you see Nicki Minaj is in the package as a doll with the accessories, pink bodysuit like she was wearing. It also has pink hair. Also on the side, you see the attachments are the pink pumps, pink bodysuit, and more pink hair, which is pretty cool. But I also want to do a different variation just to show you how this could be done if you wanted to change it up a little bit, because you don't have to keep on redoing the same photo. You can use that one photo and just make adjustments using ChatGPT. So let's say you did not like what you had, or you want to make a few adjustments. Maybe you want to have a different outfit. You could either put that inside the first prompt, or you can wait and see what it comes out with. And you could do what I just did here, where I used the original photo that they printed out of the Barbie doll of Nicki Minaj in the pink bodysuit, but I said, can you do another variation with her in a pink dress? And that's what they spat out. And now, as you see, they gave another variation where she is in a pink dress instead of the pink bodysuit, but you still can see that the accessories are still the pink hair and has the pink, I guess, bottom in a dress, pink shoes, and a pink brush. But I think this definitely fits the Barbie doll challenge, as well as the Nicki Minaj Barbie doll aesthetic. I couldn't think of anybody better who could do that, but there's also some notable people who have been doing it. I do like the way that people have been doing different trends online, where they're doing different ones where they have just more so a personality, where this is this lady who made herself into a Barbie doll, and they have her with the alcohol bottle, her dogs, her passports, and Paris. But there's another one where it's this person who seems like more of a athletic, active, they say nowadays, what, the girlies. And you see that she has a yoga dumbbell apple with the cats in the picture, as well as they have one where it's another one with Tracy, but it's more with animals. And you see how people can just keep on making variations of themselves in different scenarios, whether it be like a chef where she's saying go vegan, or whether she's doing the yoga stance. Even this one where it's this lady in a bikini, but they have the butter, the meat, the milk, and the cabbage and the honey, as well as the green juice. So you can definitely tell this person is pretty healthy. Or you could do something like this, or it's this, in my mind, I think it's a gay couple because they have the pride flag color variations in the back, the champagne bottles, and they have the 2 hearts. So this looks pretty good. And I just wanted to give y'all some more inspirations of how you could mix and match this, or it doesn't have to just be around your profession. It could be around something else altogether. It could even be something like biblical, where this person with Nicholas, where this person has clearly a crucifix around the neck. They also have the Jesus piece, a sword in the Holy Bible as a part of the attachments to this person. Even this person who's a realtor, who has this purple suit on, mug that has realtor on there, sign that has sold, and it has the iPhone, the keys, and the mug, which is really good. If you like this video, you want to keep up with the latest AI trends that are on social media, or AI in general, robotics, or anything, you should definitely like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with all of this, I'd like to see you later on. And with that being said, your boy Dexter out.